Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government past question. Question number 23 says the performance of ritual rites in the Yoruba Empire is the responsibility of the dash. The performance of the ritual rites in the Yoruba Empire is the responsibility of the dash. So the question is talking about who perform or which political function perform ritual rites in the Yoruba Empire. Option A say Oyomesi, B say Oba, C say Okafo. Then D say Ogboni. So Ogboni, as you all know, is the secret society. Secret society. So, and because it is secret, so it perform the ritual rites in the Yoruba people. So option D is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.